5 drinks that won't break your fast. You might think you're fasting, but what if I told you you've probably been breaking your fast without even realizing it? That 0-calorie drink? That tiny splash of cream in your coffee? Yeah, those innocent little things can secretly sabotage your results. But here's the twist. You don't need to torture yourself with just plain water, because today I'm revealing 5 powerful drinks that won't break your fast and might actually make it easier. When I first started fasting, I was miserable. I thought it was water or nothing. But after testing everything, I found a few drinks that keep you in fasting mode, boost energy, crush cravings, and even speed up fat burn. And trust me, drink number 5 is the one most people get completely wrong. Miss it, and your fasting progress could flatline. All right, let's dive in. 1. Water, the silent hero. Let's start simple, but don't underestimate it. Water keeps you hydrated, flushes toxins, and even helps calm hunger pangs. Bored of plain water? Add cucumber, mint, or a slice of lemon for flavor, not juice. Too much lemon adds calories that can spike insulin. Think of water as your fasting safety net. Always safe, always smart. 2. Black coffee, the fat-burning favorite. Here's where most people panic. Does coffee break my fast? Good news, black coffee won't. It has nearly 0 calories, boosts focus, and actually helps your body burn fat faster. It's your fasting secret weapon. Just keep it clean. No sugar, cream, or almond milk. Want smoother flavor? Try cold brew. Less bitter, more satisfying. Quick warning, your next cup could make or break your fast. Keep watching. 3. Green tea, the calm energy booster. Not a coffee person? Green tea is your best friend. It gives gentle energy, soothes digestion, and lightly boosts metabolism. Peppermint and ginger tea are great too. Both reduce bloating and make fasting feel easier. Rule of thumb, plain only. No honey. No natural sweeteners. They'll break your fast in seconds. 4. Apple cider vinegar, the secret weapon. That cloudy bottle hiding in your kitchen? It's gold. Add 1 tablespoon to a big glass of water. It won't break your fast. In fact, it helps curb hunger, balance blood sugar, and reduce cravings. Pro tip, sip through a straw. It's acidic and can harm your teeth if taken straight. This one small tweak can completely change how you feel during a fast. 5. Electrolyte water, the game changer. This is the one almost everyone ignores, and it's the reason so many people quit fasting early. When you fast, you lose salt and minerals, which causes headaches, dizziness, and that drained feeling. That's not hunger. That's dehydration. Add electrolytes back, and your energy, mood, and focus stay high. Without breaking your fast, just skip store-bought sports drinks. They're loaded with sugar. You can make your own. A pinch of sea salt, a little magnesium powder, and water. Simple, powerful. If you're still watching, hit that like button. It helps more people find this and keeps me fired up to bring you more fasting hacks that actually work. Fasting doesn't have to feel like punishment. You don't need to white-knuckle your way through hunger or fatigue. With the right drinks, water, coffee, tea, apple cider vinegar, and electrolytes, you'll stay full, sharp, and unstoppable while your body burns fat. Let's recap. Water, your safety net. Black coffee, your fat-burning trigger. Green or herbal tea, your calm focus. Apple cider vinegar, your hunger control. Electrolytes, your energy armor. Keep these 5 on rotation, and fasting becomes effortless. And if you want to discover 5 signs your fasting is actually working, watch my next video. It's linked below. Trust me, that one will completely change how you fast forever.